Welcome to Yellow Daisy. I'm Theresa.
And I'm Courtney, and today we're going to be making a few announcements.
So the first announcement is, as you can tell, we're going to be doing a Christmas series, and we're going to call it Ho Ho Holidays.
This series will be the whole month of December on Tuesdays and Thursdays, starting with December 4th.
And in this series, we're going to do DIY crafts, recipes, gift ideas, and a couple other surprises along the way.
So that's our first announcement.
And the second announcement, we are so excited about this. We've hit our first 1,000 subscribers, and we would just like to thank each and every one of you. We are so appreciative of all the love, support that you bring us here at our channel, and we just wanted to let you know how grateful we are to have you part of our Yellow Daisy family.
So our third and final announcement is in spring of 2019, we will be bringing an addition to our Yellow Daisy family. We are so excited, so make sure you're looking out for our videos as I bring you along in my pregnancy journey. So from our families to you, happy holidays! Hey everyone!
Welcome to Yellow Daisy. I'm
Daisy!
And I'm Daisy! Welcome to Yellow Daisy. I'm Theresa.
And I'm Courtney. Yeah, see, she's not going to sit there. Alright.
And in our series,
I don't want to do this!